Okay, so let me go ahead and show you how to log into Reading Plus. You can do this two different ways. You can either go to your class link. So in order to do this though, you need to have your class link information. So you just want to log into your class link, and then you will find the Reading Plus icon in that. You just click on that and you automatically get signed in. But if you don't have your class link information, this isn't going to do you any good. So another way to log in is to go to the Reading Plus website. And I already have this bookmarked. So I just click on the link. I want to click Student Login. You're going to type in your site code at first. RPAGORA1. Then you're going to type in your username and then your password, and then you're going to click Login. Alright? Please let me know if you have any issues logging in.